Good morning, students. Today we will study page number 19, uh, which is understanding different files format. Earlier we studied move a file, copy a file, search a file by the help of while characters like asterisk and question mark. So now today we will study understanding different file format. File format means that suppose we have the video file, we have the music file, we have the document file, we have the spreadsheet file. So all file having their specific name that is called extension, and extension is always separated by the this dot, this full stop. Always extension will end with the, suppose I write file name a dot, that is my file name is document, so doc. Suppose I write b dot mp3, so it means this file will be of the music mp3, this extension of for the music, this docs, this type of file is for the document. So this after dot this whatever the name is coming, that is the extension name of the file. Okay, that is the extension, got it? And that can be different type of file, they are having the different extension. Okay, so that extension file name, it can be of 3 letter, 4 letter. Okay, that after that period, that is full stop, that we can say, or this dot. Okay, so for the document we have the document extension like doc and docs. Like spreadsheet we have dot slx or xlx. For the image file we have the dot gif or dot jpg, dot png, dot tiff. For the audio file mp3, dot wave, etc. For the presentation .ppt or pptx. Okay, so these are the extension name of the file, and we can understand which type of file by seeing that extension. For in the, if installing, we are using the software in our computer, there we are using the exe file, .exe. So that is called executable file. So likewise, the all different types of files, they have the extension name. So this is all about the extension of the, or this is the format of the file, different extension having for the files, different files having different extension name, got it? Next is your sorting file. Sorting file means suppose it is just like we want to sort, we want to suppose I want to write the name of the student like alphabetically, all names start first a, then b, then c, then d. So this is called sorting. Again I want to write the name of the student, their name, whose name is the 4 letter, that name should be come first, then whose name is 5 letter, their name come after that. So likewise this is called sorting, to arrange the names or the data, that is called sorting. So we can sort by the name, selecting name option, order files alphabetically by file name, that is by the name. Size, arrange file in descending order. Okay, item type, group the file based on the their type means like they are of the music file, they are the video file, they are the document file, so they will be grouped according to that that kind of sorting can be done by the item type. Next is your data date modified, organize files according to date. These were last modified mean last time when you open that, and last time when you work with that file. So according to that you want to sort your file, you can do. So these are the options available for the sorting. So how you can sort? Simply you go to open your files where all the files are available, simply you right click and you can see this option will be given sort by. And the sort by, there is this 4 option, whatever name, size, item type and date modified. By the help of this, according to your choice, according to your uses, you can sort your file. Okay, next is your working with multiple application. So multiple applications means like different applications we have, like at the same time, means suppose in the one window, we want to use the two things means like you can see here. Two things means here you can see in the one side we are browsing the internet, and in one side here you can see we are making our presentation. So how it is possible? So this Windows 7 or Windows 10, they are allowing to open the several application and work them at the same time, means they are allowing, that is the function of our operating system. They are allowing that we can use these two multiple application. Okay, so how you will do? Suppose I want to open the this PowerPoint 10. So you will go to start, all program, MS Office and Power. Now open the Google Chrome by double clicking icon desktop. Okay, now right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. You can just click on the right click on the anywhere on the blank portion of taskbar. Then there will be one option is there, show windows side by side. By the help of this show windows side by side, we can use two application at the same time. Okay, so this is to you this is all about working with the multiple applications. Okay, so next you just write down this all recap points, and please learn and try to solve objective fill in the blanks, true false, application based and multiple choice questions by yourself. And the next class I will give you the answer of this all. Okay, thank you.